Hello to all my friends out there. I think it's a good idea to stockpile some food, and so I thought I would give you some of my best ideas, and maybe you can get one or two when the opportunity presents itself. One is corned beef. Corned beef is really good because you can make corned beef with potatoes, corned beef with rice, corned beef with sauerkraut, or cabbage and mashed potatoes, and it makes a lot. Number two is mackerel. Okay, the can used to be bigger, but what is good about mackerel is you drain it and you break it up kind of chunky and you crumble crackers. And well, you make the mackerel like tuna salad, and then you crumble the crackers. And you have a big bowl of food, and it's cheap. Or you can eat the mackerel with rice, or you can eat the mackerel with crackers. Number three is Vienna sausages. You can fry those in oil. You can have mashed potatoes. You can have eggs. Or you can just eat those out of a can. Number four is sardines. For the cheaper sardines, these are really good ones. I bought the crackers one time marked down. So sardines on crackers or sardines with rice. And then tuna casserole, tuna sandwiches, or tuna and crackers. So right here is a good little stockpile. And then number, let's see, 2, 4, 6 is baked beans. And you can put hot dogs in baked beans. You can put baked beans on toast. Then I put out, when I get the chance, I stock up on all kinds of chocolate milk. And so for some reason, I just started throwing these in the box, and so all you need for this is water. That's what's awesome. I usually make the instant breakfast with milk when I drink it. You could think of that as like a snack. Okay, and then I want to mention vegetarian food. Okay, potatoes and sweet potatoes. I have two kinds of squash. I have some apples, some avocados. So this is quite a bit of food. So then your vegetarian food, think about this, would be rice, bread, rice, beans like lentils, canned, tofu, potatoes, hummus, avocado, nuts, seeds, oatmeal, pasta, eggs, and peanut butter. And then you buy the vegetables marked down now before the price goes up. Let me give you a look at this list. And I want to give you three. I want to get these rice recipes out here. This is cheaper than a lot of curry rice, because a lot of curry rice, you need coconut milk. But you can make your own coconut milk. Just put a half a cup of coconut, soak it overnight, cover it with water, soak it overnight, and boil it down. And then you have your coconut milk. And what I have known people to do with it is put chickpeas in it, put mixed vegetables in it, and serve it on rice. So I want to make sure you guys get this recipe. My thing doesn't want to go. Then the Chinese rice. This is the best Chinese rice I've found because you don't need anything except onions. Onions and celery. If you have celery seeds or celery leaves, that's good enough. So you have two good rices. And then Spanish rice. So you can have, now the Spanish rice is really good if you have some cheese enchiladas or some beans. And then let me give you this rice and cheese souffle. This is like a real vegetarian cookbook. So, you know, if you don't have any raw milk, you can just use evaporated milk or powdered milk. So I'm going to be doing a few of these. I saw something and I thought it was really a good thing. If you don't have any money and there's any chance that you're not going to get your EBT, sell anything you have. If you can get $1 for it, get $1 for it. Get the money now. Have a little yard sale. Here in the town I live in, you can just go on just about any street corner and get yourself enough money for food. And then I think there's about 2 weeks. Go to the food pantries now and stock up on the fresh vegetables. And make sure you have big bags of rice, big bags of beans, big bags of potatoes. Okay, you guys, I will see you tomorrow. We will do another one of these. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And God bless you all. Bye-bye.